I'm whole, alive and breathing, that's what matters. I want to hold you, but my body's moving away. Gotta let you go. But when I do, my mind just keeps on finding a way to you again. Self-control won't help me, so don't come running back. If you don't need to stay, just stay away, don't come back. Back.